Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to show you the secrets to filling small orders very quickly. Whether you're a sideliner that just needs to fill just a handful of bottles, or you're a backyard beekeeper that can't quite afford all of the fancy bottling equipment, I'm going to show you how I do it. Of course, first thing you need is bottles, some of your delicious honey, and a scale. Now what I'm going to do is use this scale a couple times just so I know how full to fill this. These are 8-ounce containers here, and so I can tell how much to fill it, where the fill line is. Then I probably won't use this scale after that. So just to get a good idea of where that 8-ounce mark is on this container. An inexpensive batter dispenser. That's right. This is what I use. It's on Amazon, maybe 20 bucks for something like this, and it makes it real fast. First thing we got to do is zero this out. Put a weight on there. Zero out the container, so we just get the weight of honey on this thing. It's got a trigger action on here. See if I can't bring this a little closer. It's got a trigger action, and on bottom it's got a rubber nipple on there that gets pinched. Shuts off the honey really fast. Let me show you how easy this is here. Now, warmer honey works best because it's thinner and runs faster. If your honey is a little cooler, it's going to come out of there really, really slow. It's going to take you a long time. So thinner honey definitely will fill these up faster. And we're getting up to the head here. Let me stop there. Okay, you can see how quickly that stops. Got a little bit of, and it's gone. Okay, what do we got? 7.5 ounces. A little bit more. There's exactly 8 ounces. So you can see, no drip. We have 8 ounces, and I can see that 8 ounces is just before the neck of this particular bottle. And you add your cap. And that one's done. And there you have it, the batter dispenser. It works quick, very little to clean up here when you're done, and it fills bottles really fast. Again, this is not for a major operation, but if you've got a couple dozen jars to fill, this will do it in a hurry. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this informative, please hit the share and the like button. Appreciate that. Up here in the corner, you can see more videos if you like. Happy honey bottling, and you have a fantastic day.